Let's say you are on a party and you have 5 ice cream flavor and you are allowed to take only 2 flavors. But the thing is, you can repeat the flavor. Like if you like a chocolate flavor, so you can have 2 scoops of chocolate flavor. But my question is, how many cups you can make out of this? Let's find out. So I'm gonna use Combina function. I'm allowed to take 5 flavor and 2 scoop, right? So 5, 2, enter. You can see I'm allowed to make 15 cups out of 2 scoop out of 5 different flavors. You can see here, I can show you, I have already made it for you so you can better understand. So these are the scoop 1, 5, scoop 2, scoop 3. Calculate yourself and let me know I'm right or wrong.